let's get started. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Mac OS Catalina, fix wrong keyboard layout on the login screen, and how to fix this app. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is when you're having these kind of troubles, you have to follow these instructions. And the first one is to change the language on your Mac, which single uses on the Mac OS Catalina. So to do this, first thing what you have to do is just have to go here at the top and click on the Apple icon over there. Now go to System Preferences. From here you just have to click on Language and Region. Now from here what you have to do is now you just have to drag the preferred language to the top of the Decide Languages list in case if you're having the language you need is to available in the list. So if it is not available, so you just have to click on the plus icon. So as you can see that I have kept English as my region over here, right? So even there is options like this, and even if you wanted to add any kind of languages, you can go over here in the plus icon so that you can keep adding all the languages in between. So this is what you have to do, and once the language has been successfully added, what you have to do is just have to you just have to do a restart on your Mac. This is what you have to do. So now you have to do a restart once after trying setting this out.